Adam here in the Digital Goja showroom, and today we got our top picks of the month. Stay tuned to find out what they are. So if you're new to this channel, every month we do a top picks video, and we go in reverse order from number 3 to number 1. Number 3 in the lineup is the Canon Rebel T7i. Now the reason why this camera has made it to the lineup is because people, especially people that are starting out in photography, are looking for a camera that's going to provide them with great image quality, but is also easy to use. And here's the complete package. You have a high resolution 24 megapixel sensor, DIGIC 7 image processor, which gives you high ISO capability, really great autofocus system with 45-point all cross type phase detect AF sensors, dual pixel AF, so video shooters are going to love this. Has a mic port so you can record better audio. Flip out Vari-Angle Touchscreen. It's going to simplify the process of taking photos, especially with the feature assistant, and many, many more features. So check out the Canon Rebel T7i. It's available with the 18 to 55, 18 to 135, or you can buy it body only if you want to buy it with your favorite lens. Number 2 in the lineup, we have the Altura Photo TTL flash. Now it's available for either Canon or Nikon. The reason why we chose this is because many people that are either getting started or looking to improve their flash photography don't want to spend $200 to $300 on a Speedlite. Now this affordable Speedlite is packed with a ton of features like a tilt and swivel flash head, an automated zoom head that covers from 24 to 105 millimeters, S1, S2 optical slave modes. This lets you get more creative by taking the flash off camera, as well as the ability to control the flash fully manual. Now, if you're looking for an affordable Speedlite, take a closer look at the Altura Photo TTL flash. So thank you for staying with us to the end. Number 1 in the lineup is Sigma's 18 to 300 millimeter contemporary. Yes, it's that time of the year. People are gearing up for travel and don't want to carry a whole bunch of lenses with them. And this is why we picked the 18 to 300 millimeter lens. It does practically everything for you. Excellent image quality as well as image stabilization. 7-blade rounded diaphragm will give you that beautiful bokeh effect, even on an APS-C camera. You have a lens that weighs just over 20 ounces, so it's easy to carry wherever you go. So if you're looking for an all-in-one type of lens, take a closer look at this 18 to 300 millimeter lens. You won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching our top picks video. If you have any top picks yourself, leave them in the comment section below. If this video helped you out, hit that like button underneath. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Hit that bell if you want updates on our newest videos. And if you're in the Miami area, come check us out at the Digital Goja showroom. Adam here, keep on shooting. I'll catch you in the next video.